Everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss about the strings in C++. Okay, strings in C++. First, basically, let us see the definition of strings. What is a string? Collection of characters. Okay, collection of characters between double quotes. Okay, between double quotes. Coming to string, these string actually is an object which have some functions to perform some operations on strings. Okay, perform some operations on strings. So now first of all, how to use the string data type. Let us see how to use string as a data type. Okay, as a data type we'll use it. How to use it? First, syntax. If you take std string some str1 is equals to double quotes C++ programming language, quotations and semicolon. Right? In this way the syntax will be for the string. To access strings in C++, we must use a statement using namespace std semicolon. If we use this statement, no need to specify std scope resolution operator while defining a string variable. That is take an example, hash include iostream, and after this using namespace std semicolon int main star. If you specify this, just specify the string data type name and the variable equals to the string. C++ programming language. semicolon, and cout str1. Sorry. For the variable we must not put any quotations. If you put the quotations, only this will be appear on the screen. A semicolon and add on the program. Sorry, return 0. Okay, like this. If you specify this, no need to put std scope resolution operator. No need. Okay, one more way is there. What is that? So actually only this is enough ma. Here using namespace std semicolon. If you specify this, no need of using this std and scope resolution of operator for anything which is there in the std namespace. Okay. Next, coming to, if we want to see the output, only any particular letter, particular character from the specified string if we want to see the output, only any particular character from the specified string, we have to do in this way ma. We have to do the below way. What is that? In the place of cout less than str1 square brackets, any number based on the number of letters in the word string, number of characters in the string. Here this is a big string only, so let us give some 8. Means if you observe the string in the string, C++ gives the indexes numbers as index, so that you can access a single character from the total string. So it starts from 0. This is 0, 1, 2, and the space between space also given value 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like that. Now based on this, what will be the output for this? Output is given 8. So what is there in 8? R. So the output is R. Okay. Like this we can access a single letter from the total string. Understood? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.